Weekly advisor movements, 25 June 2020. So straight into it. So how many left the industry the week prior? We actually had 81. Now I announce a number that's fairly high each week, and we've got another high number again this week. But what does that actually represent? Well, really, this is 7,500 clients that now have seen their advisor exit the industry, representing $4.5 billion in wealth. So it's either been transferred to a new advisor or it's now sitting as orphaned money out there. And I think we're going to see more and more of this, obviously, as we're not getting the new entrants through because of the PY year. But it is of concern as to where that unadvised money is going and where it's ending up. Switched licensees, 30 advisors switched. And as I mentioned before, this number continues to be low, joined as 0. Shout out to a few of the switches, an all-female panel this week, which is great. So Shani Tucker joined Stuart Brown, Amanda Lee there at Chatswood in Sydney, Tracy Scotchbrook in Perth, specialist SMSF advisor, joined Grant O'Reilly's Capstone, and Maria Dyson actually left Investment Collective and joined Sheila at Wealth Forum. So they're the switches for the week. Top gains, Clarity Financial Services, again, born about from the suspension of My Planner. So opened its doors recently in the last couple of weeks, 5 new advisors. Link Advice, 4 new advisors, 100% gain from December 18, which was the advisor highs, as I mentioned the week prior. So this group's led by Duncan McPherson, obviously service a lot of the super funds through their members. Wealth Forum, mentioned Maria Dyson joined them, so 5 advisors now, an increase of 3 from the prior week. And Next Plan Financial, an increase of about 60% from December 18, with 2 new advisors joined. Losses for the week. So the final wash up of My Planner down to 0. Matt Brown's Australian Unity shed 9 advisors this week. Continued consolidation at Charter, so 27% decrease from their highs back in December 18. Saw a net decrease of 8. Neo, the Perth-based Neo, down to 77 advisors, and the comparator service iSelect down by 20 advisors from their high in December 18 down to 5 advisors on that comparison service, the iSelect Life side. Now, I'm always left with a conundrum as to how I sign off. So I'm actually going to sign off with a quote of the week. I haven't got the creativity to have like a Rove McManus sign off. So this is my sign off. I'm going to look for the best quote for the week in the media. And this one goes to Steve Prendeville. So we are in the middle of the greatest disruption to the financial services market we have ever seen. And many local and international observers are seeing significant opportunity in every part of the value chain. So that was to Steve Prendeville of Fort Asset Solutions. See you next week.